guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a vanity tour. I'm only going to do these first two drawers though of my Alex drawers because this is all foundation and like base products, and then this is, do you really want to see what's in here? Here, hold on. So this is kind of, alright. So I have my nighttime skincare in here. So like I use this about 2 or 3 times a week. It's the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. This I actually got for my husband, but we never ended up using it, and I haven't needed it. So it's just chilling out in here until we need it. Same with this, the buffing lotion from Mario Badessi. This works really well though. If you ever get one of those like red blemishes, really, that's like painful, if you just put a dot of this on, it like goes away instantly. It's awesome overnight. It's great. And then Dermalogica Skin. This is my Kitten Treasure. She's a love. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Yeah, so I just have some like extra native, a mini hair dryer, some like spatulas, lip balms, masks, some sheet masks. I don't have like a bunch. I have 3. I got them from Christmas last year. Up here, this is my shelf that my husband made, I was telling you about. So I keep my falsies here because I never wear them. They're Lily Lashes. Foam ink. I don't know what style, you could probably see better than I could. But that's that. I keep my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist up here because I just think the bottle is beautiful. I use this sometimes with concealer. There's a really bad shadow behind me. Look at that. It blends out your concealer really nicely if you have like a concealer that's maybe a little bit too dry. That wasn't in frame at all. Oh well. And then this is my Pandora, for my Pandora bracelet. And then this is all of my eye brushes. An old photo of my husband and I from when we were kids. Then these are my face brushes. This is my entire lip collection. So I have lip scents, glosses, regular like the bullet lipsticks, liners, except that this is a gloss. She's apparently helping us out with everything. These are liquid lipsticks, and then this is the vial from Perfectly Posh. There you go. This one's my favorite shade of them, and it is called Stop Blushing. That's my favorite one. But in order to use that one, you need the primer. So it's kind of obnoxious. Like, I don't know if maybe I could do a review of these because I don't think there's not like a bunch of YouTube videos about this, but they're from Perfectly Posh. I don't sell it. I used to. I don't anymore. But they're a pain in the butt because they're beautiful and they stay on your lips really well, but you have to use the primer. You have to let it dry for like 10 seconds and then you put this on next. And I mean, come on guys, we use a primer for our face and for our eyes. Do we really need one for our lips too? Just saying. My mirror. Hello. My Iconic London eyebrow ink stuff. I like it. Don't use it very often, but it looks pretty up there. This is all my little eye makeup. So like liners, lashes. I keep a blue one because I love blue apparently. The cat just clawed the back of my thigh. My eyelash curler. I keep a notebook because sometimes I like to jot down ideas, or if I want to just, if I have something stuck that I can't get out, well, I'll write it down. And then I have my 2 lipsticks that are pretty that I keep up there also. And then these are my 4 perfumes. This is from Good Chemistry. It is called Magnolia Violet. It smells really pretty. Hey, you can't eat that. Stop it. I don't know what the notes are on them, but it smells nice. I like it. This is Be Enchanted from Bed Bath & Beyond. I actually bought that for a present, and then I ended up keeping it because it smelled really good. Same with this. This is, I don't know how you would pronounce that. I don't know. This smells like, you know that, it's called Sugar Berry Perfume. It's from Good Chemistry also. Both of these are from Good Chemistry, and you can get them at Target. I love them. These probably are one of my 2 favorites. But that Sugar Berry smells like a grown-up version of that like sweet body spray you use when you're 12. You know? This is my skin mist that I like. It smells and feels like mint, and it's truffle therapy. That's a card that my husband got me for our anniversary one year. This is the refreshment from Physicians Formula. It doesn't work very well, and I think it makes your makeup pill up underneath it, although I haven't tested that theory. It happened to me once or twice, both times I was wearing that, but I don't know if it was because of the other, like, moisturizer or foundation I was using underneath it, so I don't know. This is the Banana Bright Super Fruits Eye Cream. I like it so far. I've only used it for like 2 weeks. And then this is their Gel Day Cream. I like this too. It smells really nice, and it's very light. And then I've been using this twice a day, which I really like also. Cinema Secrets deodorant. Treasure again. SPF, Gemologica. I keep a candle. This is just something I can put my rings on, although I never take my rings off, so mostly just to put my Pandora bracelet on, although I have that there, so I don't really know why we need it. Whatever. Then we have this. So these are like just some little tools. I have a knife in case. Packaging is just hard. Okay, guys, let's be real. They package things now that is just ridiculous. A red pen. Don't know why it's in there. I don't know. Nail clippers. Lip scrub. Time to go. This is their No Problem Priming Water Essence. It does nothing. I got it in a BoxyCharm. It literally does. It's like putting water on your face. I don't know. It doesn't do anything for your pores. It maybe helps with hydration, although I have pretty dry skin and I don't think it does. This is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Tati raves about that. I like that also. Hey, look, you can see yourself in it. Hi. It's like a little camera. This is old. I'm throwing that away. That was the Urban Decay, but it's like really old, and I have another one. This is the Pixie Corrector Brightening Peach. I like that for panda eyes. It works really nicely. Let's see if I can swatch it. See right there. Ow, Treasure, stop. She's like attacking my leg. I won't focus. There we go. Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. I used that last time. Cover FX blurring primer. I like this. But I stopped using it because I think it was breaking me out. My flower concealer. The Healthy Powder. I love this. She's climbing me. Treasure, you can't climb me, honey. This is the Flower Light Illusion in the shade Ivory L2. This is the Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula. Love that. In the shade LC1. This feels heavy on the face. Like, I like it, but it feels heavy when I wear it. So I don't necessarily like wearing it to like school, but I don't mind it if we're going out on a date because it gives me a little bit more coverage than like my Physicians Formula. So yeah, number 7 Lift and Illuminate. This is in the shade Cool Vanilla, and I got color matched for that, so that's neat. It's a lot grayer than a lot of my other. This is the Vanish Hourglass stick in the shade Shell. I don't like how gross the stick gets though. Like, there's no good way. That's really heavy too. I'll wear it like if we're going out out to dinner, but like not out to a movie. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And then the only other one I have is the Urban Decay One and Done in Light, which is a little bit too orange for me. I don't like it. I don't know how I ended up with this shade. I think I grabbed it by accident because I wanted the light one, but I got L4 Beige, which is actually the first in the medium line, and that's just too dark for me. This is almost gone. I need to repurchase it. The Wet n Wild Pressed Powder in Warm Light. Love it. This one I like to keep in my purse because it's good for that mattifying in the summertime, but it's not summer, so I put it in here. And then I have 2 loose setting powders. This one's from Pretty Vulgar. I love it. I'm wearing it today. It's called the Powder Room. And this is the famous translucent loose setting powder, although I don't like it, but I keep it because it's famous. So that was the first 2 drawers. Maybe I'll make this a series and do my next drawer, which is blush, contour, and highlight. And that could be like one in itself because I could swatch them all. Okay. Catch you next time, guys. Love you.